So much better. So much better. It's night and day. Yo, what's up? Today I have a really cool trick that I think all of you can really benefit from, especially when you're writing a house track, techno track, or even a hardstyle track. Say, for example, you're referencing a song. In my case, I'm referencing James Hype. So the kick sounds like this. And now for my track, this bass line and kick combination works really, really, really well. But can you spot the problem?
Just let me blow your mind. You're running out of time. One touch and then you're mine.
The hi-hat. The hi-hat that is in the sample is too much. And let's say, for example, I want to make a chiller section of the song where I kind of like mute the claps and hi-hats, right? Then it's going to be in the way no matter what.
Just let me blow your mind. You're running out of time.
We do not want that. So I found a really cool solution using a plugin called Kick Ninja. You can do this trick with Kick 3 as well if you have Kick 3. Really, it's all about preference. I'm using Kick Ninja because I have Kick Ninja. I don't have Kick 3. And let me show you what that kick sounds like.
Just let me blow your mind. You're running out of time.
So much better. So much better.
Just let me blow your mind.
It's night and day. It is the same kick because it's replicating the sub frequencies and separating the punch. However, in my version, I was able to make some tweaks. Sorry, for one moment, let me just quickly say that you should definitely drag and drop the sample you're working with onto the plugin. So we're going to drag this into the oscillator, and it's going to basically recreate the entire sub of that kick. And it's also going to separate the punch that's in there. Right here, you have 3 different samples that I'm currently using. I'm using one of my punches from an upcoming sample pack that I'm working on, and I'm using the original punch with some tweaks. Not only that, but you can see that I've also adjusted the sample itself, the punch, the layer that I added on here, and there's some post-processing as well, using something like a snapback to make everything really snappy and heavy. Now, the amazing part of using this plugin is that you can use things like the amplitude and adjust all of these little parameters so that you don't sound exactly like the original kick, or so that when you flip the phase, it does not cancel out. Other than that, you can also control the pitch. So say I love the kick sample, the way it starts, but I don't like the way it hits towards the end of the track. I can just take this, move it up, and then adjust the rest accordingly. At that point, I have my own variation of that kick. So try this trick out. Let me know if it's helped you on your track. And let me know if you'd want to see any other cool videos like this. This is completely different than my typical sort of video where I'm more in length, but this is just straight to the point. I want you guys to try this out and let me know what you guys think.
It was about, in terms of like the importance of a kick drum. I think this would very much be like Carl and Rick, but it was Carl who said this to me when we were talking about like the importance of having the right kick sample or the right tuning of your kick or whatever it's going to be. Particularly in all music, but particularly in dance music, it's like sometimes you might feel like, oh fucking hell, I've worked on this kick for ages, like I think it's all right, there's bigger things to worry about. But then I remember Carl saying like, he's like, but in reality, if you look at the waveform and you look at the song, in this waveform, every half a second for the whole song, there's this thing that goes dum, way bigger and way louder than everything else in the whole song, and it's happening for 2/3 of the whole song. And he's like, it's probably the most important thing you're going to choose.